Welcome to YOUCANIC. We have a 2018 Kia Soul. On this Kia Soul, we're going to go over how you would remove the speaker. We're going to remove the speaker if you need to replace it. Start with, you're going to need a hook type, a hook or a screwdriver. We've got a cover we need to remove here, and we have a cover that we'll remove here to be able to get access to the two screws that hold the door on, and then the rest of it is just push pins that we got to work our way around to pop out. So to start with, we've got this cover up here, because when we go to pop this out and raise it up, we're going to want this out of the way. And this, you'll just use your good pry tool, get in there, and then we just pop that cover off. Same thing here, we've got our little hook tool or a small screwdriver, where we're going to get in behind there to remove this cover plate as well as the one that is in the bottom of the where you put your hand to close the door. Okay, and we got two P2 screws to remove, one that's in the door handle piece itself, and the one that is down here now. Once those are removed, we now work our way around, popping all the clips that hold on the door, and we're able to pull the door away and pull it up to get it to remove. Once we get it popped up, there's going to be some connections to undo on the back, being electrical and the wires that come in here. Start right down here in the middle. There is an indent where you can get your prying tool in there and be able to work your way around. Pop all the clips all the way around. Once you've gone ahead and popped all those clips, now you'll be able to just raise the door up a little bit. Then you reach down in here. You just press a tab to remove. So I'm just trying to unhook the electric to the door, and that's how we get that undone. So there's this little piece here that connects into here. You just have a little tab you pull, you unhook there. Two electric connections that are right here, and once you've removed those by pressing the tab, then you're able to pull away and remove your whole door panel, and we have access to everything behind here. So let's start by undoing the electric connector by pressing the tab here on the right side and being able to unhook that. Undo these 4 bolts or screws, and they are a T20. And also, one reason why you would remove this is so that you can move the window up if you're doing the window regulator and you've already unhooked the negative battery cable, so you won't have any power to move the window up and down, or you don't need to attach the door, the inner door panel, to raise it, anything like that. So we have undone the 4 screws, and now we can be able to pull this out and remove it. And if you're putting on a new one, you'll just go in the reverse order. You've got these plastic tabs that line up right there and there. Put that in, make your electric connection, put the 4 screws in, and that would be how you would replace your speaker. We've gone ahead and done everything we need to behind it. So to start with, we have this that we're going to need to hook up, as well as these 2 electric lines, and then we can raise up the door to put it on. So we'll take this, and this is just as simple as pressing it in there and snapping that into place. Double check that. Functions seem to work. And then we have this electric connector, the one to hook up to the master, and then the other one that hooks up for the mirror adjustment. Okay. Those are hooked up. Now you'll just bring this up more at an angle, press it into the press this into the weather stripping, and then just snap, work your way around, pressing all of the clips in, snapping those into place, and then we have the one Phillips screw to put down in here and put the cover back on. One Phillips screw here and put that cover back on. And we just put that little cover piece back in there. Then we line this up, press it in. Is that you will line this up. And so thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.